Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get a refund on the Cash App. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, open the Cash App. Then, click the Activity tab. This will be indicated by the clock icon on the top right. Next, select the payment you want to cancel. You'll be able to see the sender, the amount, and the time of the payment. This will pull up a new window with more information. Click 3 horizontal dots. This will open the options regarding the payment. Then, click on Report an Issue. After that, select the reason. You can select I sent the wrong person money, I have an issue with goods or services I paid for, or I was scammed. Then click on Next. Click Done. Your request for a refund will be sent to the recipient. If they approve the refund, you will see it in the Activity tab on the top right. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.